This is Jerry the Yes Man at Homes by Jerry, 903-701-7337. Today, I'm going to introduce you to the Freeze 4.0. The reason we call it the Freeze 4.0 is for 4 reasons. Number one, it's got the best insulation you can put in a home. Number two, it's got the thermal pane windows. Number three, it's got the radiant heat barrier in the roof. And also, number four, it has an upgraded air conditioner. This house is so energy efficient, we're cooling it with an air conditioner window unit that only is supposed to cool only 500 square feet. This house is just under 1,400 square foot, and it is cold in here, folks. We already know that this house is one of the most energy efficient homes in the market, but it also offers you a lot of bang for the buck. Let's check it out. It has an open concept with a living area that's almost 20 foot with vinyl covered flooring. The kitchen offers you a pantry, a side-by-side fridge, the backsplash behind the sink and the stove, and also upgraded cabinets, and also a nice island here. Not only does this utility room have room for a washer and dryer, it also has room for a freezer. It has a nice oversized master bedroom with 2 big thermal pane windows and a cornice board over the top of them. Our master bath has 2 porcelain sinks, a shower and a tub, and a huge closet. Thanks for taking the time to look at my video, look at my new home, the Freeze 4.0. If you want to set up an appointment to come by and see me, call me at 903-701-7337, or you can check me out at Homes by Jerry. I appreciate it.